let's look at this noodle under microscope. The whole noodle has been placed under microscope. Then let's observe it. Look at this insect on the whole needle. Now after squeezing, let's squeeze it and see. Then after squeezing it, let's place some of the squeeze portion on the microscope. Then observe it. Look at this bacteria or fungi appearance. Look at then the pieces of the noodles placed on the slide, and then under microscope. Let's see what. Yeah, look at this organism. Look at this insect. Look at it. Plenty of insects on the smart, on the squeeze needle. Look at them. Look at. And we are bragging. We are taking noodle. We are bragging. We are taking noodle. We don't know what we are taking. Imagine when these organisms not well prepared and not well cooked and taken into your body system. You can imagine how the kind of condition you come out with. So people, you should be very careful with the kind of food we are eating. I'm not saying we should not be taking noodle, because noodle sometimes is a very fast food, but situation whereby you do not take time and prepare it very well, you end up having a disease condition that you might not know the root cause of the condition. And in situation whereby maybe you are in hands, you want to meet up with the time, you want to meet up with your children to school, you are preparing your children to school, and you don't want it to be late. So instead of you finding much time to relax and do the needful, since you have this kind of food at home, then you prepare preparing them to school rather than giving them a very nice and well prepared food. I'm not saying this food is not well prepared, but the situation whereby you are not putting much attention to it, you end up having this condition, unnecessary unidentifying condition. Please take time and prepare this kind of food, because most of these insects or most of these organisms doesn't withstand high temperature. So when you cook them very well, I believe this kind of organism or this kind of insect, they will die off. So what is the essence of you rushing? Try and find time and do the needful. If you are watching this video from my YouTube channel, please subscribe, because when you subscribe, you will be watching all the videos in the channel. And after putting much time, after putting much effort to bring you this kind of information, what I need from you is to like this video. Just like the videos and make your comments seen. That is the only thing I want from you. If you feel like subscribing, you can subscribe. Thank you for watching.